Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about procrastination. So if you are someone who is unable to be productive, who is little bit lazy and unable to take action, then this is how you must be writing. Or if you know someone who procrastinate a lot, then they may be writing like this. Let's get started with it. Now here you can observe that there are two letters. One is T and another is I. So both of these letters represents yourself. T represents your how you believe about yourself, your thinking, and I also represent same thing. It's more about creativity, yet both are little bit similar. Now on the T you can find the bar is on the leftward direction, and on the I too the bar is on leftward direction. Right? In graphology, leftward direction shows past, while the rightward direction shows future. Now, since this particular bar and dot is on leftward direction, these are the writers who think more about past instead of moving further. So they are someone who, instead of taking actions for their future, they keep procrastinating and unable to take action, which is not good, right? They are someone who waste a lot of time because they believe they will get that particular work tomorrow, and that tomorrow never shows up. So this is not a good trait. If you write like this, or if any of your clients write like this, then tell them to put the bar in middle, and if the I dot is in backward direction, then to tell them to put in middle, just above the bar. So this particular change will help them become more productive and overcome that procrastination problem that they are facing. So that's all for this particular video. I believe you learned something new. If someone write T bar like this, which is going in leftward direction, and I dot like this, which is also going in leftward direction, then writer is someone who procrastinate a lot and they are lazy people. So it's better to change this and put the bar and dot in middle. It will help you be more present, and you will start taking actions for whatever goal you have. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing, and if you want to take notes, you can take notes from here.